represented as capital letter C. Nobody takes economics and chemistry. That is, nobody combine both economics and chemistry. And 4 students takes economics and government. Then we are to solve some question. They've given us in the introduction of the question. Now we are to use that information being supplied in solving the following question. A, the first one, A, Roman figure 1, using set notation and the letters indicated above, write down the 2 statements in the last sentence. And what is the last sentence? Said nobody takes economics and chemistry. And 4 elements, let's first take that one. Nobody takes economics and chemistry. That means E intersection C. They said nobody takes it, which means it's an empty set, or we can represent it as this, or it's an empty set, that is, there's nothing in it, or we take it as 0 with a slash on it. Then the second statement, they said from the last sentence. Now there are 2 statements in the last sentence, and 4 students take economics and government. Economics and government, which means E intersection G, that is economics and government, is equals to 4. Is equals to 4. Now we now go to the Roman figure 2 for A. We are being given some information. We now use a Venn diagram to represent all this information. A universal set is being represented by a box. Now we have 3. Remember that it's only A and G that intersect. E and G intersect. C and E does not intersect. That means this is our C, and this is our E. They said E and this is our G. Sorry, okay. E and nobody takes economics and chemistry. Nobody takes economics and chemistry. This our, from what we have, it's only E and G that intersect, and our point of intersection is 4. Then E and C does not intersect, but G and C actually intersect, but we don't know the value. That means the number of students that study only economics will be 12 minus 4, which is equal to 8. That study for geography, that's 8. 8 minus 4 minus x, that is here, that we don't know, which is equal to what? 4 minus x. Now for chemistry, that's 7 minus x. And our universal set is equal to 22. So with this, we've solved the A part. We are now going to the B part, which says how many students take both chemistry and government. From the information being given, we were being told that each student take 1 or more of chemistry, economics, and government. That is, we don't have exclusion. We don't have a situation whereby a student took any of these 3. That is, all the students found in these 22 numbers, that is, took either economics, geography, or chemistry. That means we can easily say that our universal set, which is 22, which is the union of C, G, and E, that is our chemistry, government, and economics, of the union of economics, government, and chemistry is equal to number of students offering economics plus number of students offering government plus number of students offering chemistry minus number of students offering economics and government minus number of students offering chemistry and number of students offering chemistry and government. And our question is, we are to determine the number of students offering chemistry and government, which is this, our unknown. So we are going to make this a subject of formula, which will now be, once this one is crossing to this side, it will become plus, that will be number of students offering chemistry and government is equal to number of, by the time this one is crossing, it will become negative, number of students offering economics plus number of students offering government plus number of students offering chemistry minus number of students offering both economics and geography minus number of students offering either economics, government, or chemistry. So we now take that we have value, number of students offering economics from there is 12, plus number of students offering government is 8, plus number of students offering chemistry, that's 7, that's as we're having there, minus number of students offering economics and government, which is 4, minus number of students that are in the class, which is 22. So 12 plus 8 is 20 plus 7 is that's 27 minus 26, which is equal to 1. So we can therefore say that our number of students offering chemistry and government is equal to 1. Then number of students offering government alone. Number of students offering government alone. That will now be to represent that will be government alone. That will be E complement intersection that will be E complement intersection G intersection C complement, which is equal to number of E, that is number of students studying geography. Let me just write it here. Is equal to number of students studying geography minus number of students studying economics and geography minus number of students studying chemistry and government. which is equal to number of students studying geography, that's 8, minus number of students studying economics and geography, that's 4, number of students studying chemistry and government, that's 1. So 8 minus 4 is 4. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So we can conveniently say that the number of students studying geography alone, which is E complement intersection G and intersection C complement, is equal to 3. That is this portion. What we are interested in is this portion. So this portion that looks like that of a ball, this portion only here is 3. From here is just 3. The studies government alone is 3. Example number 7. The subsets A, B, and C of a universal set are defined as follows. A is equal to MAPE. B is equal to AEIOU, that is vowel alphabet. And C is equal to LMNOPQRST and U. Now, they now said list the elements of the following sets A union B. If you are to list the elements of A union B, that is all the elements of A and B without repetition. So that would be A union B is equal to A